Breaking news, a major update just dropped for Pi network users. Now, you can activate your Pi wallet and even buy Pi before passing the KYC or migrating. So let's break it down. Banxa, the well-known crypto on-ramp, has integrated directly into the Pi wallet. This means that you can now buy Pi instantly even if your account hasn't completed migration yet. Reports are coming in that this feature is already live inside some wallets. Let's check some tweets from Twitter or X. So this one, so when you go to your Pi wallet, so given that you haven't done your KYC yet, you'll be able to see this options. So you can activate your wallet using Banxa, and then here, once you click on that, it will show you this form. So you need to enter your identity. So it's same thing, first name, basic information. And then once you're done with this one, this will be the successful message will be shown to you that your wallet is already activated, and now you can start sending or buying Pi token and store it in your Pi wallet. So these are the implications of this feature. So you can buy Pi before KYC and migration. So you can now purchase Pi before fully migrating their balance. And then this also implicate that there's a mass adoption happening. So this move signals Pi network's commitment to making Pi more accessible to the public, and a surge in user activity. So with more users able to buy Pi instantly, we can see increased transactions and engagement. Want to see if you have access? So open your Pi wallet now and check if Banxa's buy feature is available for you. So what do you think? Will this drive Pi's value up? So drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Pi network updates.